In second part, we have to see the integration. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. We know differentiation, that is phi of x. Phi of x is a continuous function of x. Then there exists f of x. Phi of x is a continuous function of x. Then there exists a f of x such that f dash x is equal to phi of x, such that f dash x is equal to phi of x. Then we will take integration. Integration of phi of x is equal to f of x. That is integration of f dash x is equal to phi of x. That is, the integration is the inverse process of differentiation. And integration means samavalokan. It we have to see definite, indefinite integral. That is अनिश्चित समावलोकन. अनिश्चित समावलोकन. First we know the formulas for differentiation. First we know the formulas for differentiation. First we have to write differentiation as d dx. We have to write differentiation as d dx x. That means the differentiation of x with respect to x. Dx means what? With respect to x. That is, the d dx of x means the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. We know this. Similarly, d dx of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Write down formulas. d dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore, d dx of x raised to n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into x raised to n. Then d dx of e raised to x, d dx of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Then d dx of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log a. d dx of log x is equal to 1 upon x. d dx of sin x is equal to cos x. d dx of cos x minus sin x. d dx of tan x sec square x. d dx of cot x minus cos x square x. Any other formulas are we have to see by differentiation. We see differentiation and integration formulae. We know the derivative of x is 1, therefore the integration of 1. We have to write d dx denominator in derivative or multiplication of integration. d dx of integration of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Here c is integration of constant. Here c is integration of constant. We have to write c. If any constant, we have to take derivative of this term x plus c. We have to take derivative of this term x plus c. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of constant term c is 0. That is 1. That is derivative of x is 1. Integration of 1 is, that is the inverse process of derivative and integration. Similarly, integration of n plus 1 into x raised to n dx. N plus 1 into x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 plus c. Integration of e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x plus c e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x plus c. Integration of a raised to x into log a dx is equal to a raised to x. Next, integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c write down. Integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integration of cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. That is the inverse process of derivative. Integration is the inverse process of derivative. We have this formula understand, then we have to show these simple examples for integration. Simple examples for integration. First example, evaluate the following integrals. Evaluate example, evaluate the following integrals. Evaluate the following integrals. First example, 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. We have to integrate this example as take integration with respect to x. Take integration with respect to x because all terms are in x, but these terms are in y. We have to take integration with respect to y. These terms are in z. We have to take integration with respect to z. But in this example, we have to take all terms are in x. Therefore, we have to take integration with respect to x. That is d dx of integration means what? D dx of 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here d dx, that is the derivative of this function with respect to x. Derivative of this function means this bracket with respect to x is d dx of 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. We have to take integration of derivative. Take integration of here not derivative, here is integration. Integration of 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. Write down. Then take separate integration of each term, that is integration of 4x cube dx minus integration of 3x square dx plus integration of 2x dx plus integration of 1 dx. Here 4, 3, 2 are constants, and we have to take these terms outside the integration. Therefore 4 integration of x cube dx minus 3 integration of x square dx plus 2 integration of x dx plus integration dx. Then 4 as it is, we know the formula integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into plus c. X raised to n plus 1 dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. In this example, 4 as it is, x cube of this type into x raised to 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. Next write down minus 3 x raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2 x raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus integration of 1 dx is x plus c, that is the constant of integration, is equal to 4 as it is. X raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 3 as it is, x raised to 3 divided by 3 plus 2 as it is, x raised to 2 divided by 2 plus x plus c. 4 cancel, that is remaining will be x raised to 4, 3 cancel, minus x cube, 2 cancel, plus x square plus x plus c, that is the integration of which term, 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This can be written as the integration of 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx is equal to x raised to 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x plus c. Our answer. Of this type, we have to evaluate next integration as example e raised to ax plus a raised to 100x plus log of ax plus b. Integrate this. Therefore, we will take given example e raised to ax plus a raised to 100x plus log of ax plus b. Therefore, take integration, that is integration of e raised to ax plus a raised to 100x plus log of ax plus b dx equal to, we know the formula, integration of e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x, integration of e raised to ax plus b is equal to e raised to ax plus b divided by a plus c plus c. Next, we have to write separate integration. Integration of e raised to ax dx plus integration of a raised to 100x dx plus integration of log of ax plus b dx. Then next formula, integration of a raised to x dx is equal to a raised to x into log a divided by log a. In this example we have to write integration of a raised to 100x dx equal to a raised to 100x divided by log a into 100 plus c. Then next formula is integration of log x dx is equal to here is sin x sin x is cos x plus c. Therefore integration of sin of ax plus b dx is equal to cos of ax plus b divided by a plus c. This can be written as log of ax plus b integration of e raised to ax dx. Integration of e raised to ax dx is e raised to ax divided by a plus c. Next write down a raised to x integration a raised to 100x divided by log a into 100 plus integration of sin of ax plus b is cos of ax plus b divided by a plus c. This type of integration we have to solve for exercise number 1. First example is evaluate the integration of 3x square bracket 3x square minus 5 bracket square dx. In this example we have to take first square of this bracket is equal to integration of 9x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 25 dx. Then take the constant of integration outside this integration side, then write 9 integration of x raised to 4 dx minus 30 integration of square dx plus 25 integration dx is equal to 9 as it is. X raised to 5 divided by 5 minus 30 x cube by 3 plus 25x plus integration constant c. Then this can be written as is equal to 9 by 5 x raised to 5 minus 10x cube plus 25 x plus c is the integration of which function? Integration of in bracket 3x square minus 5 bracket square. Of these types, another example we have to solve. Any examples? Next, in this exercise we have to see the example integration of 1 divided by 4x plus 5 4x plus 5 bracket square plus 1 dx. This type of examples we have to use which formula? We know the derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse of x. We have to use this formula, it is plus c. We have to use this formula, then we have to solve this example. Integration of 1 divided by 4x plus 5 bracket square plus 1 dx, that is tan inverse of 4x plus 5 divided by which term? 4 plus c, that is equal to 1 by 4 into tan inverse of 4x plus 5 plus c. This step we have solved any other examples of the integration. That is given example. One example is integrate the tan square x. Integrate the tan square x. Therefore, integration of tan square x dx. But we know tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Therefore, we have to write integration of sec square x minus 1 dx. Take separate integration. Integration of sec square x dx minus integration 1 dx. Sec square x integration tan x minus x plus c, that is integration of constant. That is the integration of tan square x dx is equal to tan x minus x plus c. Of this type we will solve any other examples of integration. Stop it.